Hello, Jensen here at a customer's house, Landrum, South Carolina. Got a rhino, Yamaha rhino, probably about 2005. Gonna change out the ignition switch right here. And here's the part. Got it off Amazon, basic search on there. So it looks like it's gonna be pretty easy. Took off the straps. This one's broken off, so you can just kind of open this baby up right here. There's another little latch. There. We look up in here. There it is. That's the backside. A little easy plug. So let me get that out and show you what we got. This nut's pretty easy. It was already loose. I'm just gonna take it off like that. Comes right off. And push it up in there. Here we are behind the dashboard. I've pulled it back out. I pushed it through. I already loosened this little clamp because I had both hands. But now you just push that little clip down right there. And with two hands, you'll be able to pull it right off. So I'm just going to put the other one right back on there. Pull it through and call it a day. There she is. I gave it a little snug down with the wrench. I mean, it's just a huge wrench for this little plastic nut, so I'm not even really trying to turn it much. Just so the key won't twist it when you start. Alright, let's get the old key it came with. Yeah. That's right. Okay, hope y'all can use that. See ya.